Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I am Narendra Thane. In this video, we are going to look about a free digital training program conducted by CSIR IICT, Council of Scientific Industrial Research of Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, which is located at Hyderabad, and with jointly by Merck. Merck is located at Bangalore. It is a digital workshop organized by these two groups, Merck and CSIR IICT. The dates of the workshop was 1st to 5th. It was a 5 days training program. In this, you can know how to patent writing and about the journal publish and IPR, intellectual property rights, like that stuff. Who was eligible for this workshop? Students, UG, PG students, and faculty. Uh, we will see how to register for this. Go to the CSIR IICT website. In this, you can find here Merck. This is a brochure of this. This is a digital workshop on scientific and patent writing regarding. You can click here for more details. If you wanted to register for this, you can go through this link. You can give your name, email ID, phone number, and your university name and your qualification. Your bachelor student or master student or doctoral or PhD student, postdoc or PhD student, faculty or other, for state and city, and register here. In this workshop, you can get this workshop in enrich your knowledge and engaging the video and animation will be played, brainstorming. You can get this and you can get the quizzes there. Okay. In the training highlight words, they teach you grants and books writing, how to write a book, and ethics of publishing. What are the ethics in publishing? How to give the references, and if you take from any sources, like if you copy any diagram of any journal paper, how to give the reference and how to take the permission of author, like that. Research article, how to write a research article, they will provide the information, and overview of IPR, intellectual property rights. What if you wanted to publish a journal conference, how to how you follow, what you follow the while writing it, and how was the format and what is the rules for it. You can know that patent process. If you done any, you work anything, you wanted to file a patent for that, you can know the procedure of it. They explain the patent procedure and how it was, how much duration it will take. They will explain step by step process and drafting and specifications of claim and responsible of his objectives. This is, I think, this is helpful for the student who are looking in, wanted to file the patents or wanted to publish the journal. Thank you. Bye bye.